I am 2 years old and I am fabulous. Mwah. Hello, hello, hello. It's your girl Rosie and your girl Ava. Today we're making Ava's hair. We're not braiding or anything in particular, but I'm trying these 3 ponytails. 3 of them were like $21. And when it arrived, I felt like I could do it myself. That's it. We're just gonna put our hair together and do that. Nothing special. And what store is this? FOMIYES 3-piece. You know, it's gonna be in their title. But welcome to their channel. Now, this is it. It's how many strands? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. About 12 strands. I mean, I wish this was a little bit, but I know it's not easy since this is not braid or twisted. I didn't know it's like, I don't know what to call this kind of twist. And the rubber band, literally the rubber band. I feel like I could do this myself. I feel like I could even do it to the smaller, what do you call it? Or any kind of rubber band, but too lazy to. We'll see how this goes. I never did anything like this before. I wish it was fuller. But you can easily take this off. This comes with white ribbon. You can choose the other color. You can take it off and make it fuller if you want. So her hair is the 4C hair, just like mommy and daddy's hair. And stay tuned. It took a while to comb. Are you ready, Ava? I'm gonna be using that. It works. I'm not gonna put any product on her hair except this baby, you know, the Tangular cream and all that. I already combed the hair section by section. So, and I bribed her with her favorite bottle and a teddy. Let's see. Now I wanted to see if I can put one up here. Let's pretend. So I wanted to see if I can put one up here, see how that looks like. Nope. Okay. That way I put one here, and one in the front. But I know this kind of twist is not gonna, she's just gonna pull the whole thing the next day. Ava, 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 Ava. Man, shrinkage is something else. Okay. Yep, it's good to go. I wanted to buy 2, but I knew there was no way her hair will not hold into 2 ponytails because it's too short and 4C hair. So let's try this. You also have an option of putting a different ribbon if you like. In this case, there to cover up whatever. Or this. Anyway, moving on. Ava. Look at that coily hair, so coily. Shrinkage. Look at her hair length. Her actual hair length is there. You guys, next time I'll use an actual gel instead of this holding whatever this is. I just saw it on Facebook and I bought it, so use an actual gel for kids or something like that. So far, so good. Yeah. Yes. No. Yes. Yes. Eva, yes or no? Pichu pichu. See the difference? I decided to braid this last one to see if it's gonna help hide the stuff. Bring it closer to camera. Yeah. Swallow your apple. Swallow, swallow, swallow. Yeah. So I got this one at some point, but I wasn't sure. I'm like, this is $10, guys. How much would I have bought the hair and all that stuff? $10. I was like, oh, you know what? Let me not take the risk. Let me buy this one and buy that one. So if it's this one, I'm sure it would have covered more. Like so. See? Woo! But they have the shorter one for kids. So that's that one. Yeah. It's my first time doing something like this, so if it works out, I'm gonna be doing it like that. See, it's not really hiding it per se. I wish this was thicker. Let me try something. Hi. Voila! Your Majesty. There you go. Whee! 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 And just like that, we're done in less than 30 minutes. See, thank you for watching. I am 2 years old and I am fabulous. Mwah. And subscribe to our channel and Mommy's channel at La Rosa and see how Mommy installed this hair. Bye-bye.